to sign into our administrator account, we can go ahead and choose this bottom link in the email that we were sent in our invitation to join AWS IAM Identity Center. So I am going to go ahead and click on it. And what it's going to do is it's going to start the login process for me. Then I can go ahead and click my account that I want to log into, and I'm trying to log in with administrator access. So I'm going to click on that, and now it's signing me in. It also might ask you to do the multi-factor authentication. I just did that recently, so that's probably why it's not asking me to do so. So that is going to be how you can log in, and then you can go ahead and see that this is the user that we are logged in under, and you can have access to everything. So let's just kind of walk around what we are doing on the AWS console to try to learn a little bit of way around. So there's different services that we have in AWS. Okay, so you can see your billing and costs, an S3 bucket, EC2, ECR, EKS, and we're going to go over a lot of these things. So in Deploy and Public Challenge, we're going to use EC2 a lot. That's going to be our virtual machines that are hosted in the cloud, and that's going to run our applications, and it's also going to serve as allowing us access to certain things and allowing us to view different, through load balancing, view our applications. All right, we have Elastic Container Registry, which is what we're going to use. It's going to be a private registry, similar to the Docker registry, but when you push to Docker's registry, it's public to everybody. So this is a way to store our container images privately. We might use S3. I'm not sure though, probably not. EKS is going to be our managed Kubernetes system. So AWS will manage all of our pods and the control plane for us. So we just have to worry about deploying them. Okay, we'll use IAM. I'm not sure if we're going to get to domains or not, but we might use Route 53 as well. Okay, but basically each one of these is a different service that you can go into, and then there's a bunch of different resources and options within each service. All right, so kind of take a look around AWS. If you see a service that you've never heard before, do some Googling, read the documentation, watch some YouTube videos, try to get familiar. The ones that you are going to be most familiar with this time around is we are going to be looking into VPC. So VPC, subnets, route tables, internet gateway, elastic IPs, and NAT gateways are all going to be something that's going to be heavily used in the next 2 assignments. So those would be good ones to watch. Look more into, Google, and watch videos about. All right, we'll get started in the next video with our very first assignment.